100 volunteers. Volunteers are the people who come forward of their own. They are not compelled to do anything. Volunteers are the people who come forward of on their own willingness. Found that you can be volunteered like you do sometimes volunteering in the school campus. That is, you are not forced, you are willing to do it. Okay, found out that those who communicated well, means who are able to talk, who are able to express their feeling well with their relatives and friends, were not only happier at home but were also more successful at their workplace. Abhi to you are in the school life, but later if you are having a good relationship, so you have to nurture this, you have to inculcate in you to develop good relationship. Scientists believe that a healthy relationship provide security, peace of mind, and infuse energy and enthusiasm in life. Means life becomes beautiful when you are having a good relationship, which are essential for good living. Now you have listed four relationship. Most of you have listed mother because she takes care, father because he is the breadwinner most of in the most of the Indian family. But this is changing. This is changing now. Mothers too are the breadwinner of the family. Someone said sister. Someone said brother. Someone said grandparents. Grandparents, as they shower love and affection unconditionally. मतलब तुम उनका कोई स्वार्थ नहीं होता. They are not selfish. They just give. They just give the blessings and shower love, affection with all the goodies, chips, kurkure, and chocolates, everything. Whatever it is in their capacity, they do it for their grandchildren. Okay, the wonder of grandparents. Let's read the passage given below and find out the role grandparents play in our lives. The wonder of grandparents. In emotional, what is emotional important? When you have a feeling, the feeling that you are having is the emotion. Okay, happiness, sadness, and you are angry, these are all emotion. In emotional importance, the grandparent grandchild bond is second only to the bond between parents and children. Like you people have said that the most valuable relationship for you is mother or father, but after that you are mostly bonded with grandparents. Grandparents bring warmth and affection. Warmth means the kindness, the warmness, the feeling of affection, deep affection, deep love. That is warmth. And affection means love to family life. You know, if there is grandparents, they will shower love. Grandparents are, and not only that, grandparents are always thought to be spoiling the children in the family. Parents लोग कभी बोलते हैं कि आपने बिगाड़ के रखा है अपने मम्मी पापा को, कभी कभी कंप्लेन करते हैं. They do complain that because of you the children are getting spoiled. Like you have studied there in which story, English literature, that was the story of a hero. The grandparent, the grandma has spoiled hero. Similarly here also, grandparents sometimes they become so blind, they become so get carried away by the affection and the deep desire of love towards their grandchildren, that they sometimes spoil the children. But it is not truth always, because they shower love, and it is very important. Love and affection is very important in one's life. Grandparents are cheerleaders. Cheer means happiness, but they are the leaders who bring happiness in the life. Bestowing means to shower, to give on their grandchildren. Praise means to admire. And adoration meaning is given when you are giving your love, admire कर रहे हो, बहुत unconditional devotion show कर रहे हो, when you are devoting yourself unconditionally, then it is adoration. Encouragement means whatever you do, Grandparents encourage whatever good you do. It's not that you're going to steal something and grandparents will encourage you. No, whatever good you will do, grandparents will encourage and support. They also have the opportunity, means chance, to share their wisdom. Means grandparents are very rich in their experience, so they are having more wisdom. Means उन लोग में ज़्यादा सोचने की क्षमता होती है. They think and they have seen the life, so they share their wisdom, wealth of experience with their grandchildren. They keep on telling the story, like when the daddy decided what he wanted to be. So grandparents keep on telling the story of your parents when they were children. So it becomes very interesting, right? अभी भी हमेशा तुम लोग सुनते हो कि मम्मी बच्ची थी तो ऐसे करते थे, पापा बच्चे थे तो ऐसे करते थे. वो कौन सुनाता, वो सारी कहानियां कौन सुनाता है? वो सुनाते हैं ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. और तुम्हें यू पीपल एंजॉय इट. अच्छा, पापा भी ऐसे करते थे, है ना? तो एंड टू बी गाइडिंग लाइट टू देम एज दे फेस life challenges. The extra attention, extra attention, people love extra attention. Nurturing means to nourishment, to give something. A grandparents provides means dena, tells the children that someone cares for and is genuinely means truly, truthfully interested in what they think or do. Grandparents add a sense of connection. What is there? Grandparents add sense of connection to the chain of humanity. Humanity means humankind. That is mankind. जो हम लोग हैं, we are humankind. It helps extend life beyond mom, dad, and the child living in their own cubicles. Cubicles are the structure, enclosed structure. Cubicles are enclosed structure. जैसे ऑफिस वगैरह में रहता है ना, बड़े बड़े ऑफिस में छोटा सा क्यूबिकल रहता है, वो सारे ऑल द वर्कर्स आर कन्फाइंड टू देयर क्यूबिकल्स एंड डू वर्क देयर. So it helps. Who helps? Grandparents. Affection helps to extend life beyond. Beyond means further away. Apart from. Beyond means apart from mom, dad, and the child living in their own cubicle. If there is a nuclear family and they are confined to their own cubicles, अपने चार दीवारी के अंदर में रह रहे हैं, तो it helps to extend. मतलब लाइफ उससे भी आगे है. मतलब मम्मी डैडी और न्यूक्लियर फैमिली से आगे भी लाइफ है, ये ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स बताते हैं. There is a sense of belonging. Belonging means the sense of belonging means you belong to that place, belong to that person. So belonging का जो feeling है वो लाता है. That's a very positive and good feeling to the human race. A sense of belonging to the life, and a sense that are people out there who love them. Means you have that feeling that not only mom, dad, and your brother, sister are loving towards you. There are other people in your life. They are loving you. They are caring for you. So it is important to have grandparents' affection. Grandparents also provide a whole sense of history, identity, and heritage. Now, what do you mean by history? You have a family history. You have the identity of, where do you belong, your village, your lineage, and heritage. Heritage means whatever being inherited by your parents, grandparents have inherited from their grandparents or father, mother. It is the lineage. So it provides a sense of history that you are having one identity. If you are having the grandparents, it shows that you are having the identity. Means you are belonging to a particular place, particular clan, particular religion. Okay, they provide that vital connection, yani very important connections with the past were where the younger generation has come from. मतलब कहाँ से आए हैं ये सारे लोग, सब बताते हैं. So they can tell of changes in medicine. This part is very interesting. कि what grandparents do, they just go for the natural things. You talk about your parents and they will tell you what medicine, how medical science has improved. And technology, in their time they would have not TV at their home, but now they are having mobile in their home, in their hand. Community means a group of people who think alike, and they are of the same of the same language or tradition. They are community. So there are communities, they can tell you about the changes, technology में क्या change आया, तुम्हारे particular family में क्या change आया, तुम्हारे particular extended family में क्या change आया है. They will tell you in a very interesting way. Grandparents is certainly different from what it used to be only a generation ago. Definitely family structure have gone. Structure means the shape. कैसा था पहले, मामा मामी चाचा चाची साथ में रहते थे, अब अलग अलग तरह से रहते हैं. तो कैसे, how they have undergone dramatic, undergone मतलब गया है, have changed. Increased occupational mobility. Occupational mobility means occupation की वजह से, यानी what is occupation? Occupation is a profession one does to for the living, right? So occupational mobility, and because of the job people are moving. It is not that where a child is born there only he gets a job and stays there. It's not like that. If you are getting job in far country or far away from your home, then you will move. That is occupational mobility. Dual income families means earlier only father used to be breadwinner, but nowadays both father and mother become breadwinner. Dual means दो, two. तो dual income families आजकल हैं जहाँ पर मम्मी पापा दोनों अर्न कर रहे हैं. Rapid technological change, you cannot imagine. Just this is online, you are studying online, this is a technological change. Not only coronavirus, this is the technological change that even due to pandemic, when you are forced to stay at home, you are studying. How you are studying? You are studying via online. This is technological change. Your grandparents, if grandparents are with you, they must be wondering in amusement कि अरे क्या time आ गया है. नहीं, children need the stability, means stable होना चाहिए, एक जगह स्थिरता होना चाहिए. The time and the caring of grandparents more than ever. Grandparents can offer their grandchildren adult companionship. Companionship means giving the company, means they are giving the company in an often calmer, less hectic setting. Means they are having the time. Grandparents generally have the time for their grandchildren. और वो लोग बहुत भाग दौड़ नहीं करते रहते तुरंत, all the time they are busy. It's not like that. So they give the adult companionship to the grandchildren. When geographically close, grandparents can often to be more generous with their time and provide that extra attention that busy families crave. Crave means to desire, to want something, to have that feeling कि मेरे पास भी काश होता. तो crave for मतलब जो पास में रहते हैं वो तो बहुत ज्यादा टाइम देते हैं, लेकिन जो दूर रहते हैं उतना टाइम नहीं देते हैं, है ना. तो मोर जनरस विद देयर टाइम एंड प्रोवाइड दैट एक्स्ट्रा अटेंशन दैट बिजी फैमिली क्रेव फॉर. तो जो बिजी फैमिली है जहाँ पर पेरेंट्स मम्मी पापा दोनों बिजी रहते हैं, वहाँ पर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स दे आर जस्ट अ ग्रेट ब्लेसिंग व्हेन दे गिव यू एक्स्ट्रा अटेंशन, जो कि फैमिली को जरूरत रहता है. दे कैन हेल्प टू स्टेबलाइज द फैमिली एनवायरमेंट and they are not running always, they are not always busy, so they give the stability to the family. Now today's grandparents add another perspective. What is the meaning of perspective? See here, the meaning of perspective is given viewpoint, that what is your viewpoint. So today time is going to get up, so we will continue from here. Okay, today's grandparents add another perspective. We will begin from here.